Hi, we are team number 4, and we have decided not to talk about only one thing of our career, because we are far from the end. So we are going to talk about what have we currently seen of the career, and most specifically, in this second semester.
Hi, my name is Angelo Flores. Um, Hello. Have to talk about the subject of financial accounting. Financial accounting consists of making company Este accounts and balance sheet. It is used to draw up account for a company or job. It's here very important an account be made for the entire company to know how much is spent monthly or annually. Also serves to obtain the general account of the company to know how it is going on a daily basis and there is no fraud or misstatement. Financial accounting allows us to know the operation of the company assets thanks to the continuous recording of the transaction. Carrying out this information is of utmost importance for interpreter and comparison by economic entities that require knowledge of it. This is all from about what financial accounting is and what it is for. Thank you.
Labor legislation and social service. What is labor legislation and what is it for? The goal of labor laws is to equalize bargaining power between employers and employees. Primarily, these laws deal with the relationship between employers and unions. What is the relationship between labor law and accounting? Relationship of accounting with labor law regulates the calculation of severance pay and its corresponding accounting reflation, establishes the types of existing employment contracts and their tax accounting treatment, determines the requirements for time registration, presence control and work absenteeism. The social security system within accounting. We talk about the accounting system in relation to the social security system because companies make part of the contributions so that it can be carried out. In audit, in addition to benefiting workers and their families, what is social security in accounting? Social security paid by the company or entry 642 is guided the fees that company pays for the contributions of the employers. It has registered with Social Security at the accounting level. The fees are transferred to the company's accounting through account 642.
Hi, my name is Humberto and I want to talk about macroeconomy. We think accounting is fascinating for its ability to reveal the full picture of how an economy as a whole works, instead of focusing on the minute details of individual transactions. Macroeconomy gives us a broad analytic view of how global forces, such as inflation, unemployment, fiscal and monetary policy, affect the economic behavior of the country or even a country broader regions. What I find most exciting is how macroeconomy can explain business cycles, from periods of growth and expansions to recessions and crises. By understanding the cycles and their underlying causes, we can anticipate and to some extent mitigate their negative impacts on business and society at large. Additionally, macroeconomy allows us to understand the interrelationships between different sectors of the economy and how change in one can spread to others. This is crucial for making strategic business decisions as it helps us evaluate risks and opportunity in broader context. In summary, macroeconomy in accounting is not only a powerful tool to understand the function of economies, but also everyone involved in sync to inform decision making at both the business and government levels. Its ability to provide a global and analytic views makes it an exciting and essential field for these worries and users and contributed to economic development. Hi.
Hello, my name is Zara, and I will take about to the subject of information methodology. Theory research methodology is a subject that focuses on teaching students how to carry out research effectively. It focuses on the methods and the techniques used to collect, analyze, and interpret data in the context of scientific research. It also covers aspects such as the formulation of hypotheses, the design of experiments, literature review, ethics in research, among other fundamental topics for conducting rigorous studies. The most in the matter is to understand the fundamental of scientific research, including the formulation of clear and relevant research questions, the selection of appropriate methods and techniques to collect and analyze data, the precise interpretation of the results, and the effective communication of the conclusion. In addition, it is crucial to understand the importance of ethics in research and the social and academic impact of the study carried out.
Hi, my name is Eduardo, and in this part of our video, I'm going to talk about the subject communicative competence in English. I want to say that, personally, I already know English, so for me, it's been another look to the subject and to the language. With this said, I want to express that this subject has become very necessary for us because in this globalized world we live, and being the most spoken language, it is very important to all of us the fact to comprehend it, speak it, write it, and know it. It's not a journey of one semester or 6 months. This takes a while. Well, at least and personally for me it took some years. But by doing our part, we can make this process faster and even fun. At the final, you are learning to speak again, and some words are very similar in both languages. So you cannot understand it at the 100%, but you can have an idea of what is someone saying. And now, speaking again, personally, I can say that every day you learn something new. Why? Because I never understood the verb to be, and in this class, I finally get it. I learned how to use it. This is why I believe these kind of classes are very important because it doesn't matter your level. If you are a A1 or a C2, you can always learn something else. And at the end of the day, learning a new languages, it's always good and always important because like I said before, Now we live in a globalized and multi-language world. I can clearly see the efforts of our Miss to teach us all, with all of us, sorry, with the best attitude and with the intentions to make us learn and speak this language. And even if I'm not the most punctual student, I'm very grateful of having a teacher like you, even if it was for a short period of time.